Reunited with our mother.
They want to go to log.
Crazy.
You guys know how to get to it?
No, we don't.
Here, carry it. We're hoping to meet him. Yeah, it's moving carries that.
My father is now going to use the app.
Angel, you're not going to have any space left on there. It doesn't record 1,000 hours.
That may be true, but I don't
Why don't you
care.
save it for when something's really happening?
Something is really happening. This is just the beginning. It's like a roller coaster, like the one we're about to go on. What?
I know it's for sure that way. No, instead of just
Yes.
go that way.
Is that a way?
You gotta walk it like this.
We found the bandits. Let's go, Rube. We are walking. We'll get back to you after walking is finished. Damn it! Didn't pause.
This is my scary face. That looks scary.
I don't know. I don't know what that is talking about. Someone just let a big one out. Hi. Let's go. Let's go. Oh, I don't want to get on that.
Definitely get on that.
I don't want to. It's freaking crazy. It's too crazy. It's a huge ride. Kind of like your pimple that's right there.
Where's the front for the log ride?
The floor is sticky. Yeah, you gotta walk through that way. Let's go. We're walking with my father. We're following him. Yes. Yeah.
I remember this.
Yeah, really. Look what we found.
A shit. For a shithead.
It's $13.
Yeah.
Whatever. 13 bucks.
So you would call that a poop head?
You wanna go on the merry-go-round?
Alright, let's go.
The merry-go-round with all the animals, Kyle?
Money, guys.
Later. I think we did it. We found the log ride. It's over there. And we're still looking at the back of my dad's head like always. Very nice. We made it into the line. Excuse me. Let's go, Rube. And the solar panel with. Ah, damn it. We're in the dark. Well, I might as well start packing up the solar panel. Turn around, turn around. Okay.